2 hard weeks. Every ceiling, every wall, every door, every bit of woodwork. Sorted. Here's how it went. A few months ago, I took on this job. Full story is in the corner, worth a watch. Here's a quick reminder of what I was walking into. That was handed back to the client as finished work. Two weeks of repairs. A few of the ceilings and walls needed re-skimming properly. Everything then got painted. Ceilings, walls, all doors and woodwork. 4 of the existing doors, linings, and architraves had years of old paint built up on them. Every single one came back to bare wood with the heat gun before anything went near them. Right, let's walk through it. Starting with the ceilings. Every room. The ones that needed re-skimming are completely flat now. No ridges, no patches, no excuses. Painted out clean. Walls. Same story. Where the plaster was bad, it got re-skimmed properly before any paint went on. You can see the difference. That's what a finished wall is supposed to look like. Now the woodwork. This is where a lot of the time went. 4 existing doors, all the linings and architraves. Every bit of that was stripped right back to bare wood with the heat gun. Properly primed, properly painted. No more layers of built-up paint hiding the problems underneath. 2 new doors, hung, fitted, all the hardware on, painted out to match. This is what the client should have had from day one. Clean lines, flat surfaces, everything done in the right order. The client was happy. I was happy. That's the standard. Any questions about the methods? Drop them below. Thanks for watching.